Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video today we'll be talking about Binance Futures, specifically how you can reduce your trading fees to up to 35% discount total. Yes, you heard me right. I said 35% discount. So how do Binance Futures fees work? So every time you make a trade on Binance Futures, you are essentially charged a maker or taker fee. So a maker fee is a fee that you pay when you add liquidity to a market, and a taker fee is the fee that you pay when you take liquidity off the market. So the first step will be to use the right Binance Futures referral code, and this code will unlock the 10% discount on all your Binance Futures trades for a lifetime, meaning that as long as you're placing trades on your futures account, the 10% discount will be applied automatically on that account for good. So to activate this 10% lifetime discount, go on to click on the link on the description and you'll automatically apply the referral code. So if you prefer to sign up manually, this features 35 as your referral code. And once you do this, that 10% fee discount will be applied for a lifetime. At the same time, please note that if you have already created a Binance account without a referral code, you can't retroactively apply this referral code. So in order to activate an additional 25% discount, you need to opt in for paying for your trading fees using BNB, that is the Binance coin. So to do this, you need to visit your Binance dashboard. So I'm going to visit my Binance account, and when I go to your dashboard, to your Binance account dashboard, and click on settings, and under the settings page, navigate to fee deduction and click on manage. So now you need to activate to enable the toggle that says use BNB to pay fees. So when you click on this, when you activate this, you'll enjoy a 25% discount when you use BNB to pay your fees. And also make sure to activate to enable this toggle option as well, and click on confirm. So now when you do this, every trade that you make will automatically get a 25% discount as long as you have BNB in your Binance account. So when you combine the 10% from the referral code and the 25% discount, you'll get a total of 35% discount on all your Binance Futures trading fees. So you may ask, why should you care about futures trading fees discount? Essentially, every bit of saving means bigger profits for you at the end of the day, and especially if you trade constantly or trade in large volumes. So please note that this is not a temporary promo, it's a lifetime discount available when you sign up with the right referral code and use BNB to pay for your trading fees. So go on to drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.